Welcome to another how-to video. Welcome back to How2Fi. In this video, let me show you how you can delete a chat in Microsoft Teams. Actually, this guide is very straightforward and easy to follow. As you can see, we are in a Microsoft Teams app, and I have a random message so that I can guide you. So all you have to do is point your cursor at anyone you chat with, like mine at mariaforts34 at gmail.com. As you can see, the three dots appeared, so click them. Now click delete. Click yes to delete if they ask you permission to delete the chat. And that's how simple and easy to delete a chat in Microsoft Teams. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.